Hello everyone. In this channel I'll teach you freelancing course. Pakistan is currently fourth in the freelancing world after India, Bangladesh and United States of America. But there are lots and lots of avenues and fields to explore in this world of freelancing. Before dwelling any further, I'd like to introduce myself. I've put in 27 years of service in Pakistan Army. I joined the Army back in 1993 and retired as a Lieutenant Colonel in 2020. Since then, I've been working in the field of freelancing for the last 4.5 years. I've done various courses from various channels, including DigiSkills, Skill Panda, and President's Initiative for Artificial Intelligence and Computing, also known as PIAIC. I've been working as a freelancer in various platforms, including Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Guru. The aim of this course is to impart to you what I've learned so far in true letter and spirit. This course will be an interactive one and fun for all to learn new skills, new things with practical hands-on experience. It is important to note that learning a new skill is a separate thing, and selling that particular skill in a particular platform is another thing. In this course, I'll tell you how to sell yourself in the ever-growing world of competitors. Happy learning.